put it out. Go on William Rourke on scene. I'm sorry, who's on scene? William Rourke. William Rourke.
What's up, vigilant viewers? Vigilaniac here. This is Concord, California, and this was a call for a guy with a gun, but they said over the radio they felt it was a BB gun. I could tell right away that this cop was going to be a problem.
I don't care if you film, but keep a distance.
I'll stand where I want. Don't give me orders.
Okay.
I'll give you 10 feet.
All right.
All right, you leave me alone. Deal? You're not giving me... I said 10 feet. Come on.
There you go, 10 feet.
Yeah, but you walked from over there and cut me off 10 feet from them. What are you doing? I don't want to be 10 feet from you. Since you're going to stand there, I'll just get a little closer. Excuse me?
I can keep you back.
I'm giving them 10 feet. You're just being an ass. Don't block my camera, dickhead. Dude, you don't want to with me. Dude, I've been doing this. I've been doing this longer than you've been a cop, okay? I don't. This guy, Tommy Tucker, huh? Off. Thank you for making a great video for me, though. I appreciate it. I appreciate that. Probably not the last either, Tommy Tucker. Stay back from what?
From our arrest.
I'm f***ing 20 feet, dude. That's not far enough for you?
Nope, not right now.
Yeah, am I too close to your ego? Cops like this are the reason that the city of Concord, with a population of only 120,000 people, spent more on lawsuits for police misconduct from 2013 through 2021 than 85% of departments in the entire country. Shut up. And quit blocking my camera. Why don't you stand to one side or the other and let me film, dickhead?
Stop getting closer.
I'm not getting any closer. F*** you.
Okay.
Dude, why am I getting for you? You set me up, I have a gun. You're gonna shoot me, someone do it.
This guy's a prick. I'm gonna remember your name.
Okay. Ow, you motherfucker. Ow, bitch. Ow, I am talking.
How about that? Further away now.
That's good.
Stay the out from in front of
I
me.
have to do that. There's no law that says I have to be out in front of you.
There's no law that says I have to be 10 feet away either. I'm doing it out of courtesy. So why don't you just shut your mouth and stay out from in front of my camera? You're gonna step in front again, huh?
Yeah, I can do that.
Eat my ass, cop. You're a piece of shit.
Please don't grab my arm, dude. It's already broke. Please. Jeff, please. Dude, it's okay. Tell them to stop, people. Do you hear what I'm saying? Can I sit down, dude? Can I put my arms down, please? Dude, it hurts. How about film here? I didn't do nothing, dude. That hurts. Dude, please set it down. Dude, I didn't do nothing. Please, dude, quit grabbing my arm. Grab your dude, please stop grabbing my arm. Please. Can you let it down, please? Dude, I'm a good kid. That's what you need to know, dude. Do you ever hear that from people? Do you hear them all right? I respect that. You're good people. Yes, it's mine. And it's still, what the fuck is my arm turning, dude? But please, dude, enough is a cuff word. What the hell? I'm saying nothing wrong? Dude, can I go free, baby? Fuck this pipe forward, dude! No shit, that ain't real, dude. Bullshit! I want to walk out of here. Please let my arm go, dude. It hurts. I ain't grabbing his gun. Fuck, I ain't got one, you liar! Please, chick. Chick, you hear what I'm saying? Can you please let me go for it? Ow! I didn't do nothing. Ow, motherfucker! Quit it, kid! What's going on me, dude? You leave? Fucking so leave it all here, dude. You want is, dude? You guys are tripping on me, dude. Ow! Can you please tell me to stop, Lieutenant? Are you serious? Can I tell your boys to get off me? Dude, I have fucking feet. I want to walk out of here, sir. Please accept the. I want all my shit. I ain't going to prison. Dude, it hurts, brother. I ain't do shit. I'm ow, fucker! Dude, it's gonna be a. Dude, what am I supposed to do? Stop what? Dude, I want all my shit back. All my shit is my shit. Fucking stop bending my arm then, dude. Fuck, you ain't gonna find with your shit. I have nothing of yours. Shit. Dude, that hurts, dude. I don't know what's going on, dude. You're not gonna frame me up. Dude, that hurts. That fucking is a joke. My hamburgers are good. Yeah, we're not gonna. Hell, what are you doing though? You're not gonna do that. Oh, you're not gonna walk out of here? You're gonna walk out of here, dude. I am, but you're gonna lie again, see? That's fucking bullshit. Watch your head. Look, I can eat what? I want to my down, fucker. Dude, is that what you did to my mom? Dude, is that what you did to my mom? Killed her, dude. Dude, look, they don't care about nothing. Dude, you're the lawbreaker. It's on film. Are you dumb? Yeah, I got your gun. You happy? You're gonna get it, red face. You know what? You want them to win? You know where the murders are. I want all that food.
So they didn't find a gun. I wonder how many rights were violated here. We'll find out. We'll get the call. I really don't know what's going on though. So
You want me to go now?
can't really speak to that.
Just hang tight for a minute. Hold on. He's got to take a picture real quick. And then we're out.
Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back.
So it sounds like they arrested him.
1 sec.
You don't be a dick and you don't get my f***ing light in your face. Isn't that better?
Don't care.
You don't care? Well then f*** you.
Go ahead.
F*** you. You're a piece
care if
of
you film.
You don't need to be a cop.
Okay.
You don't have the emotional maturity for this job, dude.
Very emotional.
Yeah, you're a f***ing child.
I'm cursing at you. I'm yelling at you.
I don't care. Cursing and yelling at you, prick.
You're right. You are.
Okay? Don't block
Shows
my
good
camera.
emotional maturity.
Blocking my camera is a f***ing crime.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's called prior restraint
Go
on
ahead.
a federal level, and on a state level, it's the violation of the Bain Act.
Okay.
Okay? What the f*** do you mean, no, it's not? Jackass. You're a f***ing clown, huh? Is your body cam on?
Yep.
I bet it's not.
See the red light?
Okay.
There you go. Dash cam light. Dash cam light.
You're finally right about something.
Yep.
Yeah. Best camera here, right here.
Don't care.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. You don't care about shit. You should care. You took an oath to care.
Okay.
Go.
Good to go? All right. Have a nice evening.
Go f yourself. Where you going?
I'm going in my car.
Oh, why are you driving to the going to the passenger side?
Gotta get other things out.
Jackass. Got you shaken up, huh? Look
Are you gonna
Play it
impede
off,
my
Tommy.
movement?
Play it off.
Okay.
Is it Tommy?
If you impede my movement,
Is it Tom? Go f yourself.
Okay.
I know the law's better than you, jackass. You mean obstruct or impede? Yeah, you better put your f***ing seatbelt on, clown. Give me a reason to put a f***ing complaint on you. I'm sorry, give me another reason.
Going forward, watch out for the mirror.
Yeah, suck it easy. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more Cop Watch videos from an auditor with the experience and balls to face tyrants like this head on with no fear, hit the f***ing subscribe button. All right. Vigilantioc.